When you have a beautiful assistant like my wife, the SmartCapture feature looks really more interesting than watching my bald hair all over again. You are watching MAURO'S films, where sometimes we'll get more than just a review. Short montage, vlogs and travels are also part of this journey. Before we move on the SmartCapture thing, the real question is, will the two MAVIC Airs fly without a controller? Yes, they will. You can do it in two ways. With a controller and without a controller. Without the controller by pressing the back LED button while the Air is powered on. With a controller by going to the flight modes and select SmartCapture. Putting the Air in front of you, it should look up and recognize your beautiful face. With the palm open, you can bring it up to hover mode. And it will follow your movement of your hand. Pulling your palms apart, you will create more distance from your drone. Pulling the palms back, it will shorten your distance. Making a peace sign should trigger the shutter to take a picture, but it wasn't in the mood. To start recording, you make a frame in front of you. Yeah, the hustle. To land your aircraft, you lower the palm to the ground and land it.
Landing.
But wait, with every Air you get a controller, and it's way more easier to enter the SmartCapture feature through the app, and you will get a really more pleasant visual experience. And yeah, we also made a workout that afternoon. We had a really fun afternoon out on the beach. When you are out and want some fun with your Air, the SmartCapture feature is actually really great, because you will have multiple tries to get it right, and when you dominate your drone, you will actually feel really good. In 2 days I will make a review of these ND filters for the MAVIC Air, and the video will be also a giveaway of these ND filters. The subscribe button should be somewhere down here, and also the thumbs up button near the wrong one. Until the next time, see you soon!